Welcome to this tutorial on how to clear multiple search history entries by date on Facebook using your PC. This feature is particularly useful if you want to manage your search history more efficiently, ensuring that you can remove specific searches from certain periods. First, let's get started by opening facebook.com in your web browser. Once you're logged in, click on your profile picture located at the top right corner of the page. From there, navigate to Settings and Privacy, and then select Activity Log. This is where all your Facebook activities, including search history, are stored. In the activity log, you'll see a variety of options on the left-hand side. Click on More and then select Search to view your search history. Now, you'll see a list of all your past searches. To filter your searches by date, click on the Date option at the top of the page. Here, you can choose a specific period for which you want to view or delete your searches. Select the desired date range and click Save Changes. This will update your search history list to show only the searches from the selected period. Next to each search entry you want to delete, you'll see 3 dots. Click on these dots, and a menu will appear with the option to delete. Click on Delete, and you'll be prompted to confirm your action. Once you confirm, the selected search will be removed from your history. This process allows you to manage your Facebook search history more precisely, ensuring that you can remove any unwanted searches from specific dates. Remember, once you delete a search entry, it cannot be recovered, so make sure you're deleting the right ones. By following these steps, you can maintain a clean and organized search history on Facebook, which is especially important if you share your device with others or want to keep your online activities private. Thanks for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful in managing your Facebook search history.